Hi guys, Jabars here. Today I'm going to show you how to start getting started using Xcode with a project that is hosted on in a Git repository. So either GitHub or Bitbucket they have uh, something like this. It's the the location of the address of Git repository, and it's either in SSH or HTTPS format. But either way, so you just open your Xcode and choose source control and use checkout and add the so no matter which tab you want, just paste the things here and click next, so that it will try to get the repository, clone the repository for you. And so some sort of authentication should be needed, and normally you need to do something. So just put it on the desktop, and let's create a liberal chat and let it does its work. But let it do its work. But anyway, you may need to set up something called SSH. So basically, just go to Google and enter Git Bitbucket or GitHub and SSH, and you should be able to find something um, called SSH setting up guide. So just follow it. You need to do some terminal works, but it's not that hard. And just follow these commands. Well, my browser is a bit interesting, so yeah, I think it's in a better format. You can see. So just enter SSH-v and yeah, follow the commands, follow this guide, and generate something, and then paste it, add it to your GitHub account or Bitbucket account, and yeah, you should be able to get the authentication of a repository, so that you can normally you are free to check out a public repository, but you need authentication to make changes and commit them back. Or in our case, it's a private repository, so we need to do something that is yeah, that is involved authentication setting up. Yeah. So now we just get this and hit the run button to try to build the app. So in this case, it's relatively easy because it doesn't involve the knowledge of setting up CocoaPods. But I think for other projects, you need to go to cocoapods.org and go to the install tab, started from install tab to try to install CocoaPods, and then use a pod install to install the pods you need. This is not the case for this case, so let's just hit the run button, and I think it should be done. Let me just try to get the simulator. Yes, the simulator is done, and the notification, okay, and yeah, just build. And to change something, normally you just go to something called resources or anything, whatever, So it's so you need to have some knowledge about where you are, what you are changing. So let's just go to register and test 01, password test 01, and test 01 at available.com, and click register, and yeah. So now you can see, so this image is here. And what we are going to do is change this. So basically, normally you just change the image, like for example this one. So basically, if we just make some easy change, so add some funny heads here, and change it, and close it, and so now this is changed. So let's just build again. And yeah, it's changed. And if you change, or you can like just copy, change it like in maybe somewhere else. And for example, this mouse thing, so let's just make it funnier. And then drag it back, choose replace, and build it. And then, yeah, this has been changed too. So yes, it's quite straightforward. And the more like if you want to choose a color of this status button, it involves some programming knowledge. But if you just want to change not just, but if you want to change something else, then go for something called storyboard or XIB to start with. You may not really know what is what, so let's just try to find the root one. I wonder where is the tabs thing. So this is style, right? And profile, register, login. We need to find something called tab bar controller, or maybe it's right in the program. Not really sure with that. So maybe we can't really change something in this project. In this case, well, let's just take a look example as this welcome. I think we should be able to log out. Yeah, so if we change something like drag it here, then yeah, the position should be changed. And normally you want to change it, use this. I think it's called attribute enter whatever. But normally you need to deal with the fourth tab, so which involves the property of the control you selected. For example, this is a button, and you can change the background color to this color, and change like for a button you can change a lot of things here. Just play around it to yourself. And the fifth button is used to for positioning it. These things, constraint thing, are part of the auto layout thing. It's kind of complicated, so you can play with it, but it's a bit hard. You may need to follow some other guide to really get started. So basically, you need to normally you don't really edit it. You need to do some updates and remove them, re-add them, whatever. This is a bit complicated. So and this is used for trigger the actions. That is purely a programming thing. So just play with it. We change the color and position of this button, and it may or may not break any constraints. Let's say. So yeah, the color has been changed, but this position wasn't. The reason is the constraint. I'm pretty sure there's something that it's you cannot just drag it around. But I'm not sure about size. Maybe size work. But the auto layout is it's a bit doesn't change. So it's a bit complicated topic, and we are going to talk about later. But for now, as you can see, you made some changes, and this is the GitHub page, and I just clone it from GitHub. So this is original banner ads of the author. So let's just go to the thing that is called liberal chat. So as you can see, it's we are in liberal chat, and some changes have been made. Well, perhaps I should not use I should not use this terminal thing because hopefully you are not using it. So let's just try to use Xcode to do this. So yeah, we made some changes to this, and we also made some changes to this. So it's instead modified, which is a bit obvious, and we can use source control to do a commit. So basically, what a commit is to apply the changes, add the changes to the repository. But this repository is your local repository. So you can commit this, and you can also like press this and choose a branch, choose a remote. Not the remote is just by default use this. It's okay. And in this case, I also want to edit the README file. So basically, the first line, I think it's overview. Yeah, so first line should be the add. Let's just remove it, and then commit. So enter something. Basically, you need to type something here. It's easier for other people. So just try like images changed, edited README, and commit. So commit is really quick, but the job that publish this change to the repository is called push. It can take a while, so you can see several seconds, and then it should be quite easy to see if it's a change. Like, well, the banner is still here. The banner is still here, but we can go to source, I think, to see the changes we made. Let's just go to comments. And yeah, so it shows me that image change and second line README changes and show. I'm not really sure why the banner is still there. But I think it's kind of an Xcode thing. Maybe you need to because it's not part of Xcode. So yeah, you don't So just like open the folder and edit this readme.md, or like me, just edit it, use this, and then your terminal you can do a git commit change readme, and do a git push. So this is a command line. Hopefully you will not you don't need to use it, because readme is not really the thing that you need to care a lot. And you can use some other bits and pieces, but yeah, let's just see the README should be committed, and the banner is gone. Okay, so this covers how to check out the repository, and what you should look at to set up your SSH, and edit a image file, and edit maybe XIB or storyboard file, and then commit it back. So yeah, that covers it for today. So yeah, thank you very much. See you next time.